In this module, we'll talk about statistics of migration in different continents. In 2017, the following countries have the largest numbers of citizens living outside of their borders. India, 16.6 million. Mexico, 13 million. Russia, 10.6 million. China, 10 million. Bangladesh, 7.5 million. If you could understand that why this large number of diaspora of individuals who are living abroad and earning their livelihood and sending back that money to their countries called remittances. India having the second largest population after China and having less opportunities at home to feed their people. So that is why people are moving across the border more rapidly. On the other hand, China, which is the largest country as far as population is concerned, having less 6 million, almost 6.6 million less than India, because China have better prospects of life at home. Increased concern over terrorism in many regions and countries. Most prominently, the United States and many European nations have restricted policies for the international migrants. Therefore, migration to United States is no more easier. If you could understand that why United States restrict people when she believes that they are not useful for the country. But if United States believe that any skillful person living in any developing part of the world but useful for the country can easily recruit him or her for the national interest. If you see on this slide that how the statistics of migration in different continents are varying, 52% of the international migrants are male and 48% are female. So their age differences are also there. For example, if you could see that 70 to 74, there are 3.4% females and 2.7% males. And then 65 to 69, 60 to 64, 55 to 59. So if you could see all this, that most international migrants, that is 74%, are of working age, that is 20 to 64 years. So this is an interesting slide to understand that how the age difference also make an impact on migration. Here we would consider a few examples in the Trump era that how migration was discouraged in the United States of America. President Trump pushed for a ban on immigration from Muslim majority countries because of terrorism. People traveling for business and many students also became victims of these policies. There was a sharp drop in the number of students visas issued by the United States in 2017. So Trump was always against the immigration policy in the United States, especially towards Muslims. He discouraged immigration. And this slide, if you could see that how different countries from different parts of the world are migrating. These two clips, regarding left side of the slide and the right side is giving you the clear-cut pictures. At the left side, it is resident migrants, and on the right side, it is migrants abroad. And there are different countries which are also giving you the clear-cut picture regarding that immigration.